Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to your Shopify store. This is really useful when you need to give someone on your team full access to manage your store, handle orders, and make important decisions without having to share your main login credentials. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that already has admin privileges, as only admins can add new admin users to the store. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This is your control center for managing everything about your store, from payment options to user permissions. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. Here, find and click on Users. This section is where you can view all the people who currently have access to your store and manage their permissions. It's an essential tool for keeping your team organized and secure. At the top of the user's page, you'll see a button that says Add User. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a form where you can start adding a new team member to your store. It's a straightforward process, and Shopify makes it easy to invite people and assign them the right level of access. Now you'll see a section labeled User Details. Here, you have the option to click Admin User. By selecting this, you're choosing to give this person full administrative privileges. After clicking Admin User, you'll see a button that says Add Users. Click on that to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be prompted to input the email addresses of the people you want to add. Type in their email addresses carefully, as this is where they'll receive their invitation to access your store. Once you've entered the emails, click Add Users to confirm and send out the invitations. After adding the users, you'll need to assign their specific roles. Look for the Roles section and click Assign. From the options that appear, select Administrator. This gives them full control over the store, so make sure you trust the person you're granting this level of access to. Finally, to save all the changes you've made, click the Save button at the top of the page. This ensures that your new admin user is officially added to your Shopify store and can start managing it right away. And there you have it. You've successfully added an admin user to your Shopify store, giving your team member the access they need to help run things smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.